Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
First quarter.
Anaton, Team BB Legend versus the Team Jimenez. Jimenez, jersey number 30, Dinis Da. Jersey number 18, Makatangay. And jersey number 9. And Silis, and jersey number 13, Pelayo. From the PB Legend, jersey number 3, Beliones, jersey number 45, Maragael, jersey number 13, Gary David, and jersey number 95, Yancy De Ocampo, and jersey number 23. Bunbon Cross Studio.
Let's go. First quarter. Jimenez and De Ocampo. Bulanil, Igay Bilyon.
Number 3, Beliones. To jersey number 13, Gary David.
Gary David. To
Yancy
Yancy.
De Ocampo.
To Bonbon ko studio. Back to Bilyones. Yancy, sa
Yancy De
gitna.
Ocampo, libre masahe.
Wala.
Follow up by
Back by-
Bunbon Studio. Yes, Bonbon.
Bonbon ko studio.
Number 9, Silis.
Silis.
Tumakatangay. Dinis
Dinis
na,
na,
pull up tower.
Wala. Bula ng PBA.
David.
Gary David,
Hold it
4-3.
up. Good.
Tapos pa.
Bunbon
Studio.
Studio. Knock
Yes.
from the basic by
Nice
jersey
move.
number 33, Bunbon Studio. Number 9, Silis.
Silis. To McCartney. To Paulo.
To Jimenez. To Da.
Isda.
Silis.
Silis. Wala.
Follow up by Jimenez.
By
Yes, for
Paulo.
2 using the glass.
Igay Bilyones.
Let's score.
Wearing number 3 of PB Legends. To Gary David.
4-2
To gitna.
in
Bonbon ko
favor
studio.
of
To Mac Barakail.
GRG
Palubong tira.
Brothers.
Number 45, Bakrael. Yes, for 2.
45
6
Magno.
minutes and 35 seconds.
Silis. Jimenez nagpick.
First
Sa
period.
gitna. To Daa. Mama sa paa. Back to McCartney.
Number 18,
Nagpick.
Hangay. Slashing to the paint. No good. Bakrael. To Bunbon Studio using the glass.
Yes.
Yes, for 2.
Studio.
Number 9. Number 18, Makatangay.
Makatanga. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Tigas ng ring. Igay Bilyones. To Gary David. Back to Igay.
Number 3, Beliones. To Gary David.
Ang titira. To Yancy.
Ocampo.
Sa gitna.
Sigbay Makatangay. Silbay Makatangay.
Paulo.
Alex. To Pelayo. Yes, for 2.
Yes. Lakas tumalo.
Official run is gone. 8 versus 4 in favor of the PB Legend. Ocampo. Drop to Studio. Back again to Ocampo. Libre Masay sa ilalim. Follow up again by Bunbon Studio.
Jo.
5 minutes.
Makatangay. Crossover move. Seals for 3. Very good. Rebound by jersey number 95. Seal by jersey number 26. Tangay. Took back to Pelayo. Pelayo. Crossover move. Elbow jumper. Beliones. To Studio. Nagawa ng bola. Seals si Jimenez. Jimenez. Slashing the paint. Salas for 3. Wala kang talaga. Barakayan. Using the glass. Mas maganda pa sa umaga.
The score 12-4 in favor of GRG Brothers.
Tongki Morales to drop. No good.
seconds.
4 minutes remaining time for the first period. Tugari David. Number 3, Billones. Pumugol ng 3. Rebound by Criminales. To Pilayo. Pilayo. Napakaganda naman by Pilayo. Brought to by
Lakas tumalon.
Isino. Intercepted by Bakatangan. Bakatangan. Silis. Pumugol ng 3. Oh! Dos 3! Siles ang pumugol ng 3.
Running score. 9-12.
Intercepted by Gary B. Billones.
3 minutes.
Gary David. Back to Billones. Billones. To Gary David ulit. Holds it up.
Yes.
3 points by El Granada.
2 minutes and 50 seconds. First quarter.
Number 30, Dinis sa pupugol ng 3. Short.
35 seconds.
Number 3, Billones. Back to Gary David. To Barangkayan. Sa ilalim. Follow up. Yan si Dio Campo. Number 18, Bocatangay. To Silis. Rebound by Paulo. Paulo slashing.
2 minutes.
Number 23, Costudio. Yes for 2.
1 minute and 50.
Costudio. Official running score. 19 versus 9.
Foul.
There's a foul.
Baguio.
Running score. Yes.
Kaya Granada pupukol ng 3. Tapigan ng bola.
Si 9.
Nakuha ni Pambansang Siko.
1 minute and 25 seconds.
Pambansang
RD over 3. Rebound by Paulo Criminales to Bocatanga. To Dinis Da. Billones to Gary David. Rebound. Take by Billones.
And sakto 1 minute.
Barangkayan.
Seconds to play.
Pilayo.
Layo.
Crossover move.
Silis.
Silis. Pumugol ng 3. Honor
45 seconds.
by Silis.
35 seconds.
Gary David. To Baguio.
Cyrus Baguio.
30 seconds.
To Barangkayan. To Gary David.
25 seconds.
Dinis Da.
20 seconds.
Slashing the paint. Using the glass. Yes,
15 seconds to play.
Dinis Da.
10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Pangatay.
Time for the first period.
For the first.
Score 19-17 for the first period.
1917.
And favor pa rin ng ating PBE Nation.
Favor